Hello, my name is Scott Palermo.
And I am James Sanek, and we are with Harcourt's Desert Homes in beautiful Palm Springs, California.
Welcome to 2710 North Girasol Avenue. This special property is located in the desirable Little Tuscany neighborhood in Chino Canyon, just minutes away from downtown Palm Springs. Extensive property remodel has been completed on this property, including many luxury upgrades both inside and outside the property. Please note the dramatic views from both the pool deck and from inside the property. Welcome into the home, where the entry foyer is large and includes a feature wall. Walk into the grand living space that is open to the kitchen and dining areas, which provides breathtaking southern views and access to the saltwater pool and spa. A gorgeous chef's kitchen has all the storage and counter space you'll ever need, and includes a Viking stove and a Sub-Zero fridge. Bar seating keep your family and guests close to the action. A very generous primary suite includes a walk-in closet and beautifully updated bath with dual sinks, large shower, and linen closet. 2 additional bedrooms share the updated hall bath. This is a well laid out plan with loads of storage, updated lighting, security, and smart systems. What's not to love?
Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a second home, or a vacation rental property, this property checks all the boxes. The furnishings are available for purchase outside of the escrow. This is your opportunity to take a great look at this jewel of a property and begin your Palm Springs experience.